I'd read so much about this place before arriving in Barbados and couldn't wait to get here that I arrived so early in the morning that the gates were not open yet, so I had to wait in anticipation. Entrance is free and is through the café, a brightly coloured traditional Barbadian chattel house. Why not order a coffee and breakfast on your way through the cafe and enjoy it sitting under one of the cabanas? Well, we're just at the Graeme Hall Nature Sanctuary. It's in Worthing, or just on the outskirts of Worthing in Barbados. Extremely quiet, peaceful, well looked after area. So quiet, it's absolutely unbelievable in comparison to the beaches that are just across the road from here. I'm going to spend a couple of hours here, drink coffee, wander around and just chill out. The ducks and fish also enjoy a snack as well, but competition for food can sometimes become very aggressive. The fish in this case are tarpons, which have been trapped for decades in this mangrove swamp. As a predatory fish, it can live for 50 years, grow to 2.4 metres in length and 130 kilograms in weight. There's not really a lot to do here, except admire this stunning scenery. Can't believe this is Barbados. It could be in the Lake District in England. It's absolutely stunning. The photos and videos don't do it justice. It's so well looked after. It's costing somebody a fortune because it's a sanctuary. It's not actually a tourist destination as such. No admission charge. They have a lovely cafe. The girls in there are brilliant, superb. The staff are really nice. You ever get to Worthing, get to Barbados, come and sit here. Just get away from all the tourists, and yet they're only a couple of 100 metres away from here, believe it or not. Unfortunately, the sanctuary is not open everywhere, and a lot of visitors will complain about this. But after all, it is meant to be a wildlife sanctuary, the key being the word sanctuary.